Okay, my Forex family, this is Sydney Guajardo coming to you live from San Antonio, Texas. And we are the Trading Places. Okay, let's get after it. Let's figure out, first thing, let's go to, not this, Forex Factory. There was some news here this morning that affected the dollar. We're well past that, so let's look on anything else. There's no more news until tonight when the London session opens at 2:30 in the morning. More new U.S. news at 9:30 in the morning. We're just looking at the red folders. And New Zealand dollar tomorrow at 9 p.m. Nothing to worry about really tonight. So let's take a look at what we're looking at here. I'm about to look at this trade. I'd get into Euro Aussie dollar at 162.740 and take it short. It's almost there. About 9 pips away, 8 pips away. 4, 5, yeah. All right. Let's get after it. Let's go to Euro dollar. All right. That's where are we at here? Really can't, you could see a lot going on here, but there's not really, you got to look at the bigger picture. So let's look at the 240. That's not it. Let's look at the top of the market here. And the bottom on the screen is right around here, right? Getting close to the bottom of the market here. Probably within 200 pips maybe from being at the bottom. So at least we have an idea of where we're at. Let's go market end right here. Now let's go back to the microscope, right? 60 to make our entrances. Okay, so end of business was here. Where are we? So what are we going to do? All right, we had a pretty good uptrend, it seems like here. Then we had a really big retracement here. Kind of looks like a trend changer, right? And kind of have this retracement here. It went back up and it's kind of going back down. What do we see that's happening here? Well, very hard to tell. All you could do at this point without any type of volume indicators is just guess. I really think that it's going to, this is kind of an advanced strategy to look for some equity. This is what I look for when I'm looking for equity. In order for money to move in the market, you need equity. So let me see. Oh man, very, very hard to tell. I don't see anything really moving and shaking here. I think it's going to retrace and it's probably going to come back down. So what we need to do is just play it safe and look for wait for volume and trend will form again. Okay. Dollar yen. We don't have to look at the 60 to figure, or the 240 to figure out this is definitely a downward trend, right? We can see that it's evident. It hasn't made any movements. Now it's definitely made this uptrend. It was at the bottom for a while. Okay. So now it's kind of plateaued right here, and let's figure out where we're going to go from there. So we're on a pretty good resistance line here. I think if it breaks, it's probably going to go north from here. So what we need to do is if 104.705 is broken, this trade will continue north. Zero 09/21/2020. Euro yen was in the same spot. Let's look at this. What's happening here? All right, so this is definitely a short trend. Kind of picked up here a little bit. And I think this is also going to head north. Jeez, can I type today? Aussie dollar was a big mover today. Okay, so no real trend. We saw this happening. And we saw this up right here. But it did hit the bottom of the market, so I think this will also continue north. All right, let's go to pound dollar. Another overall trend is short. Right, it kind of hit the bottom here. And I think it's going to continue north just based on stats here. So let's put that in here. Let's do two more. Dollar Swiss. All right, so you had a trend here. Where's the arrow? Trend was right here. And then right here kept continuing to go down, and then all of a sudden you have a trend uptick, right? I think what's going to end up happening is I would look for this trade as soon as it hits 91,395. I would watch this to continue short. Let's put that in text. When trade hits support 0.91395, take it short. And wait for let's look at dollar Swiss. Okay. Get a trend here. Short. Then it's kind of going sideways. So it hit this line here. It kind of bounced up. You know, it may have hit the line and bounced up anyway, but what I think it's going to do it already bounced. And will continue. Wait for signals. There you go. This is going to be just those right there. Those are some pretty solid picks. So what I would do is I'd wait for these. I'd write these down for sure. They're going to go. But anyway, I'm glad I was able to help you guys today. Same time tomorrow, 6:00 p.m. And watch for Forex news. And everything should be fine. Just make sure and retain everything you've learned, and just be careful when you take trades. All right, guys. So from Trading Places in Guajardo, I hope you guys have a good week, and make sure and love the one you're with. So we'll see you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.